everyone, and welcome back to part 6 of our Overlanding Scotland series. In this episode we arrive on the Isle of Skye, the largest and most northern isle in the Inner Hebrides of Scotland. We were camped beside Loch Ishore, which has got one of the best views of the Cullens mountain range in the whole of Skye. So sit back, relax, subscribe, and let's get going. So we've just arrived somewhere in Skye. Here's where we'll be staying tonight.
We've just pulled up in Skye at our campsite for the night, which is pretty stunning. Let's show you guys. Oh wow.
How's that for a view?
Look at that hole over there.
I think that might be the castle.
Ah.
We'll have a...
What's this area called again, babe? The Slate.
something peninsula.
Like the Slate Peninsula, I think. Probably because there's a lot of slate here.
Could be.
I'd imagine. Now, Marla, this is salt water.
I don't care, I'm going to drink it anyway.
Then I'll be sick everywhere. Ooh.
Careful with your ankle.
Yeah, I'm just thinking that.
Oh man, this is so beautiful. I kind of want to get the kayak out tonight. Float around here. It's so flat and calm, there's hardly any wind.
Right. Should we go get set? Marla!
Salt water,
Marla, no.
don't be a donut.
I don't like it as much as the fresh water. I can drink the fresh water. Right, should we go get set up?
Yeah. Put it up as far as the water and I'll push it in. I'll walk it in. Oh, thank you, baby. Bon voyage.
Have fun. Right, don't kill yourself.
I'll try not to. Love you.
Love you.
The water's so clear here. I can see right to the bottom.
You have a paddleboard and
You've got about another couple hours of daylight. What a place to watch the sunset in. Oh, this is cracking. Yeah. You can have a go if you want. You can have a go on this if you want. Yeah. I charge £20 an hour. No, I'm joking.
my photograph is £20 each.
Oh, there you go. I'm wondering if I can get around here. You can see the bottom, but it's always deceptive.
Yeah.
How deep or not deep it is. How do you get over there?
Oh, I'm now getting cut off.
Yeah, the would you like a lift? Yeah? How deep is it? No? I was going to say I could pick you up. He's Jesus. He walks on water. I might have to make a reverse here. Yeah, that's you're right. It's not deep, is it?
No, it's not deep. You're in a little bit of a channel, huh?
Yeah. I don't think I'll get through. It's quite a deep bottom on this boat. It's alright, I can reverse.
Where do you want this? Because you have to set the dishes.
Isn't that nice? Happy landings.
Well done. Go back in.
Oh yes. Yep, the midges have arrived, so I'm going back in the water. They bother you much?
I'm feeling them, but
I'm like 90% bite. It's either a seal or a bird.
no, it's definitely a seal. I've had been looked through the binoculars. It's a seal.
Oh, what, over there?
It's over there, yeah.
I'll go say hello. Is that? It looks like a little head. Or it could be like a bottle or something. Or a ball. Can't really make it out. Getting pretty close to it. Oh. Or a rock? No. What is that? Some kind. Is that? It's like a. It's a hedgehog. I think that might be a sea urchin. That's a sea urchin. I was going to say, what is a hedgehog doing out here? Oh, that was a seal. I spotted one over there. That's definitely a seal. The Isle of Skye. I think this might be my favourite place. Ooh. That was a big jelly. That's a massive jelly. It's like just floating on glass. That island's not that far away. I've just spotted a seal right in front of me. They're pretty quick actually, to be fair. Oh, there's definitely seals on that island. Whoa. Whoa. That came up out of nowhere. That is a big rock. You can still see the bottom. Not as easy now the sun's gone behind those clouds up there. Another big jelly. Not as big as the first jelly, but it's a sheep on the hill up there. Let's go over to this little island. I think I can see seals over there. Yep, definitely seals on there. And these wee black birds. Oh wow. Hey seals. See the seal over there. There's one behind me as well. And there. Ha! A heron. Alright, time to turn it around. Hello! Oh, you're gorgeous. Little... Are you little... what sort of seals are you? Are you harbour seals? Yeah, you're a harbour seal, aren't you? Or are you a very young grey seal? Alright, I'll leave you alone, seals. It was nice to see you. There's another one over there. I'll go visit that castle tomorrow. Cool, look at those sheep. They're sat pretty precarious, aren't they? Come on tide, take me in. I know the tide is a turning.